Okay, I'm going to make a little something for snack time. I'm going to do cheese and biscuits, and I like to give them something sweet at the same time. So I'm going to give them something super sweet, and you're all going to go, oh, you can't give them that. Well, remember those little Rice Krispie snacks you used to make with your mum when you're like 4? That's what I'm going to give them. Except for I'm going to put pralines and chocolate chips. Okay, so we start with a bowl of marshmallows and we melt them. This is a quarter of a pack of marshmallows, so that would be a quarter of a 16-ounce pack of marshmallows in here. Frito-Lay pecans for your pleasure. Smash those babies up. I'm going to use about half of this pack. Okay, so the first step, oh yeah, and the Rice Krispies, don't forget the Rice Krispies. First step is we put this in the microwave for about a minute. It's going to puff up, and they're all going to mold together, and then we're going to throw everything in. It's super easy, and then you put it in a greased tray of your uncle, so I'm going to heat them up. Okay, see they're all puffed up and gooey, so I'm going to cut the pecans, put the pecans in, put the chocolate, put about half the chocolate in. Sometimes the chocolate melts, sometimes it just stays in chunks. It's good either way. Yeah. About half of that. Okay, so where's my trusty spoon? Mix it all up. This is the bit you love when you're a kid. Mixing it, making a mess, throwing it all over the surface. I don't really like getting my hands in this because you end up covered in marshmallow. Can you see that? It's going in here now. Today we have chocolate chunks. You have to kind of encourage it in. Okay, how much did I enjoy that? Lots. And now all you need to do is no baking, no this, that, and the other. All I got to do now is put it in the fridge and then wash up. Simple.